Yes, and Kaboosh. JJ is 1 and he's writing. Good job, JJ.
It's a bloody big guy. Hẳn dưới để má sẽ chờ. Con má sẽ về thôi. Red open Magna Doodle. Red open. No, red open. Dog. That dog.
Good job. What shapes are those stamps?
There were one. Joker.
Yes, circle. Can you try the other stamp? Try the other one.
Joker.
What shape is that?
Starfish.
Star shape. Like a starfish. Now can you write letter A?
Letter A.
Write with your pen. Do.
A.
Letter A. Good job. Can you write letter B?
B.
Yes.
Capital T.
Capital B.
Capital T.
Okay, capital T.
T.
Oh, C.
Capital D. Drum. And then D.
D is for?
Drum.
Good job.
E for egg.
Egg.
F for family.
Family. JJ is a family.
G for goat.
Yes.
H for house.
How old are you?
4
Can you write 4?
F.
No, not spell 4. Oh, fine. What was that?
Yes.
4 years. Oh, you're trying to write 4 years. Okay, that's better. Good job. 4. Can we see?
4.
Yes.
4.
Can you write your name?
9.
Yes. What's your name?
Mary.
Can you write Melvin?
Mary.
We did it! Good job! You did it! Clap for
Where's the
yourself.
I?
Clap, 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 clap for yourself.
Where's the I?
What's your brother's name?
E. Kinadu Pama.
Yes, Jaden Chinedu Mbamba. Can you write Jaden?
Jenny.
Yes, write Jaden. Can you spell Jaden? Yes, good. Can you show us how you cleaned it up?
I.
How old is JJ?
1.
JJ is 1. Good job. Can you write 1?
1.
JJ is 1 year old. Good job.
I before iguana.
Oh, you want to continue? Continue later, boo. The video is getting too long.
Do a train.
Do a train. Okay.
Choo choo.
Let me see. Choo choo. Good job. That's not what the train looks like, but good job.
Red car.
Okay, draw a car.
On the train.
Those are the tires, right?
Yum yum yum. Ostrich. Yum yum yum.
Good job.
Yum yum yum.
Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Good job.
And caboose.
Yes, and Caboose. JJ is 1 and he's writing. Good job, JJ. What is JJ writing? I don't know. Good job, JJ. You're soon gonna start tracing.
Stretching.
Yes, JJ is 18 months old.
Red train. And white train.
Okay.
Green. Red eye.
Yes, right eye. JJ, that's a stamp.
Red J.
Right, J. JJ, can you write on your board?
Red K. Red L.
So we noticed JJ started,
Right
got
there.
picked interest in writing on the board. And we got Mervin another one to replace that one because JJ is interested.
F.
Yes. JJ, you have yours. Oh, no. Mervin, learn how to share.
N.
And
Bye bye. Bye.